Ugly bitches!
Alright, so boom. Welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for another epic fighting championship debacle of a competition. It appears that we've got a tag team match with an intergender team. We've seen some crazy competitions before. I wonder who their opponent is.
Where you going, little feller? There he is. Who's your little guy?
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Shut the front door. Kingpin has lost his mind. He got a little person, a midget, taking on two people in a MMA competition. This don't even make sense.
Damn his soul! Let's get ready to rumble!
Round one, fight.
You little...
Well, damn, little man decked him in his eardrum immediately. Look at that human cell junior go to work, but that harlot is grabbing him from behind. I can promise you this is the weirdest threesome you've ever seen in your life. They already teaming up for the finisher, a rear naked choke and a ground and pound all in one. They trying to transmogrify little man into the cream in betwixt two Oreo cookies. Rainbow rumors suggest that he's living a bisexual fantasy right now. Face buried in some titties, but an appendage on his lower extremity.
Let me interfere, you stupid bastards!
Oh shit, the little man is free. He's little man handling his opponent. Perhaps his lower center of gravity gave him superhuman strength, but look at that harlot. She keeps interfering into men's business, trying to lock in a crippled crossface.
Fuck you, you fucking whore.
What the hell? Who's interfering on the right? Mans came through the door with a rubber spatula. He must have been a Hispanic grandmother in his past life.
Oh shit!
This the first time I seen somebody who interferes get dealt with in this promotion. Now was a bad time to try to be an abuela. He tried to intervene into the competition and caught a right hand from a dude who ran from the other side of the cage.
Falcon punch!
That hit just the right spot!
It appears the old bag of bones only has a sleeper hold in her controller manual. Shorty don't know any other maneuvers. But what's so alarming to me is that the full-sized male has done absolutely nothing in this competition. Man been on his back so much you would have thought he's able to get pregnant. Little man giving him 6 beats of the babrin as time would expire in the first round. I can't seem to wrap my head around how this full-size, able-bodied mortgage payer can't seem to allow himself to not get manhandled by a dude who's half his size. Even the lady put in more work than him. I'd be ashamed to face my family and the match not even over. Watch out for that banana. He must be a naff, a non-athletic fuck. Look how uncoordinated this guy is.
Yes!
Somebody get him a pair of Raycons, not only out of necessity, but out of sympathy.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Wait a minute, it's getting beautiful outside. The sun is out. I know you're going for walks, runs, jogs, whatever the case may be. Make sure you got Raycons in your ears. Raycon is on a mission to prove that you shouldn't have to pay an arm and a leg for quality sound and the essential smart tech listening feature. It's a no BS product. And thanks to Raycon, you're paying half the price for the same, if not better quality earbuds. Raycon doesn't outsource the design and development of their earbuds. Their small but mighty team of design audio engineers cut their teeth at brands like Bose and Peloton. You know I'm always in the gym. I need that water and sweat resistance earbud in my ears at all times. Might I add, Raycon knows that in this economy, every purchase needs to be perfect. They now offer buy now, pay later options, pay as low as $18 at checkout. And to make matters even better, now Raycon offers 2 years of product protection for just a few bucks. It's no wonder they have over 50,000 5-star reviews. And if you just so happen to want to go in a different direction, they have an easy and free return guarantee. Their bonus features range from earbud tap functions, noise isolation, awareness mode, custom gel tips, crystal clear call quality, water and sweat resistance, and 8 hours of playtime for the everyday earbuds. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and go to buyraycon.com/chiseled right now and get 15% off your very next Raycon purchase. Plus, free domestic shipping or flat fee international shipping, only brought to you by Raycon. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Round two, fight.
Come back here, you little son of a bitch!
How both rounds start the exact same way, with a right hand being connected on this nincompoop's face. He catching lint makers out there. I can't understand why they both don't just suplex that little man. He's got him down. Finally, homie's doing something.
They see me rolling, they hating.
stomp.
Wait a minute, did she just stomp on little dude?
Stop it, lady!
Despite what those two dudes do and she inflicting the most damage, it appears the referee was not a big fan of the stomp savagery. They would have to reset.
Come at me, bro!
Man's just got ragdolled by a dude who's the size of a toenail, and Shorty just watching. Oh shit, she's on the move. She's on the move. Watch out, little man.
Now I'm mad.
Oh, fucking do it again.
When in doubt, strangle little man from behind again.
Dick, stop it, lady!
Despite this being an intergender handicap match, the referee has had enough of seeing her intervene in men's business. He wants to see a one-on-one between that terrible fighting gentleman and the midget. Kingpin's avoided a lot of controversy, but how will he beat the social justice warriors?
Here we go!
Little man got homie airborne and need him in the face. Oh God, they're doing 69 and the ladies getting involved now. We can chalk this fight up to another match that missed the month of June. She trying to bury his head in his opponent's pelvis. So far, I can't necessarily say who's leading in this fight. Little man is dominating the other dude, but Shorty keeps getting involved and doing something for her team. It's as if her teammate is inconveniencing her from kicking the little man's ass.
Final round. Fight.
Come here.
I see why the old hag don't want to work with him. He been slammed in every single round. Had she not been around, he probably would have been KO'd or submitted at this point. I don't know why she's still trying to strangle him. All those extra punches is what actually did damage.
Get your fucking hands off me.
Come here.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Fuck out of here.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Why you keep doing the same move?
Do it again.
I know her hand hurt. For 30 seconds, she been punching this little man in the temple, and it's doing absolutely no damage. Watch out, she's trying to pants him. She wants to expose his butthole. Stop her, ref! After a minute of being on his back, the referee would force the combatants to reset.
Man, there you go with that bullshit.
Why don't she ever face him up and fight him?
Looks like you're about to get pwned.
Kill him!
Now die!
Either her punches have no strength behind it, or this dude is a humanoid metapod, because he's taking no damage. She pouncing on his lower back trying to mess up his spine, and he still remains unchanged. I don't know what the hell I just saw. All I know is little man didn't submit, get knocked out, or quit.
Declaring the winner.
Yahoo! Yeah! I'm the best! Okay!
Well, I'll be damned, little man got the W. Wait a minute, is that a chicken in the octagon? Who let a chicken in here? Of all places? At first, I thought it was Photoshop or AI, but she legit got a chicken in her hand. At this point, Kingpin's next pay-per-view is gonna have cockfighting. He's the Michael Vick of Russia. Nevertheless, the midget wins.
Who's a little guy?
Congratulations!
The NBA Finals is vastly approaching, and I'm feeling generous right now. So I've decided to give away another Xbox X and PS5. We've did it on 3 different occasions, 6 different winners. One of these can be yours, and you didn't even need to spend any money. All you gotta do is subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Literally click 2 buttons, and you'll be entered to win. The winners will be selected at random the day after the final game of the NBA Finals. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. That's it. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.